Established in 1966, Brunel University London is a world-class educational establishment based in Uxbridge, West London. Remaining true to the entrepreneurial approach pioneered by our namesake, Isambard Kingdom Brunel, we are proud of the significant investment we continue to make in our students and premises. Being located on one campus and with our close proximity to Heathrow, Brunel Automotive offers easy and worldwide access to our facilities and expertise. Brunel Automotive brings together our extensive skills and experience in the development of new automotive-related technologies, enabling our clients and partners to access relevant expertise. We have a strong track record in working with industry on engineering and solutions-based projects. We offer access to facilities and equipment at an appropriate scale for applied, industry-led research, bridging the gap between the lab and the marketplace to accelerate manufacturing implementation. This includes prototype development, engine testing facilities, and casting of light metals.
The 21st century is one of internet, social media, democratization of innovation. Everyone wants to be creative, everyone wants to be a designer, everyone wants to be part of the action. Automotive research and automotive industry is no exception. The work we do here at the Human-Centered Design Institute at Brunel University is a big part of that. We work on developing methods to talk to people, to observe people, to interact with them in all kinds of different ways, to find out the deep meanings and interests they have and find ways to convert that into design specifications for the new vehicles, working together with our automotive partners. One of our facilities that we have here is the Perception Enhancement Lab, which is this facility here. It gives us the possibility of reproducing very carefully the vibrations and movements of the steering of the car and the sound that the person hears inside the car. And it permits us to do research to decode and understand that language the car is speaking to the driver. And the idea is to bring out the bits to tell us about the road and the driving conditions and the interesting things that are happening. And with our partners, Ferrari, Jaguar Land Rover and other automotive companies, we've helped design internal standards which have been used, specifically designed the steering to bring these components out. And another facility is the driving simulator, this facility here, which permits us to do several things. In one area with business partners like Jaguar Land Rover, we do a lot of work in co-design. We can actually talk to people while they're driving in real time, find out how they feel, what's going on, what they want, translate that into design specifications for the new vehicles. Instead, with other business partners such as Fiat, we can work on this as the robot car of the future that drives itself. What should be its emotions? What kind of ethical guidelines do we need to build in? We're doing a lot of research in that area. Facilities and methodologies for human-centered design. There's only one place to find all this under one roof, and that's Brunel University.
Brunel is one of the largest and most active powertrain research groups within the UK. We have a team of 7 full-time members of academic staff, and our research covers both experimental and simulation aspects of powertrain research. One of the unique selling points about the research work that we do at Brunel is that we cover both thermodynamic and optical engine diagnostics, and the equipment that we use here includes multi-cylinders, thermodynamic single cylinders and also full bore optical engines, which is quite unique within the powertrain research community in the UK. Previous research projects that we've been involved with have included industrial support and UK government financial support. Some of the partners we've worked with previously include Ford, Jaguar Land Rover, BP, Shell, Marla Powertrain, Ricardo, Lotus. And in front of you, you can see an example of one of the projects that we're working on at the moment, which involves heavy-duty dual-fuel combustion, which is a very unique facility here in the UK. Previous research projects here at Brunel then have included both pure and applied aspects of powertrain research, and we've worked with various OEMs, Tier 1s and SMEs, and we'd be very happy to speak to any potential future partner considering powertrain research here in the UK.
Our thermal management research group focuses on energy conversion technologies within the automotive industry. We have expertise in and have undertaken research in the areas of modeling simulation, advanced thermodynamic cycles, such as organic ranking cycles for engine exhaust power generation and heat recovery, energy efficiency, and sustainable technologies. We have designed and set up 2 small-scale test facilities on organic ranking cycles by using different working fluids and heat source temperatures. Extensive test investigations have been carried out to understand the working mechanisms and facilitate their operations. These 2 systems can be optimized and scaled up to apply into actual installations in automotive industry. Our mechanical department has strong research experience in different subjects. We are happy to collaborate with automotive industry in areas of waste heat recovery and thermal management systems.
The Brunel Centre for Advanced Solidification Technology, or simply BCAST, is the largest academic research group working in the field of solidification and casting in the UK, and one of the largest and most recognised worldwide. Our research focuses on fundamental solidification science, development of new alloys and metallic materials, development of casting technologies, and sustainability in the metallurgical industry. Through our leadership of the EPSRC-sponsored Future Liquid Metal Engineering Hub and its predecessor, the EPSRC Centre Line, BCAST has a platform for a portfolio of fundamental and long-term user-led research. As a national centre of excellence, LIME aims to strengthen the wider UK solidification and casting community and facilitates closer relationships with industry. BCAST works with industry at all stages of the value chain. Our latest initiative is to create the Advanced Metals Casting Centre with over £100 million of investment from the government, Brunel and our industrial partners. The AMCC will house a unique range of large-scale metal casting and processing equipment in 2 1,500 square metre buildings. This facility will allow us to bridge the gap between laboratory developments and pre-production industrial trials.
The Brunel Motorsport Centre was created in 2012 to bring under one roof several long-standing racing team projects here at Brunel University, and also to further develop our motorsport engineering degree and research program. Our facility was also built to provide a physical go-to place for the racing and high-performance automotive industry to find a technology expert or have a component, a system or a complete vehicle tested in a controlled environment. Our focus is on design, testing and integration of innovative technology in new or existing vehicle platforms. The technology can be developed by an industry partner or in-house. We use experiments, simulation and modeling, but also frequently the racetrack, which is a real-world extreme proving ground. We do a number of things, but are mostly interested in low-carbon motorsport, and for that we maintain good relationships with the all-electric new Formula E Championship and the Isle of Man TT0, which is a race where we have been fielding this electric motorcycle at every event since the inaugural Grand Prix in 2009. We race what we design and what we research, and this puts us in a unique position to combine the scientific approach with real-world on-track validation. We can work away from the public eye or under the spotlight of a racing event. We already work with a number of motorsport teams and high-end automotive companies, and we are keen to have more race technology projects or special vehicle collaborations come to our motorsport center. Beyond automotive, we're also interested in technology transfer from the track, beyond the road, into different markets. So we would welcome companies that operate in fields such as consumer electronics or smart materials. We can put your innovative technology onto our racing platform and give you valuable feedback and exposure for your product.
Here at the Modelling and Simulation Group, Brunel University, we practice all forms of computer simulation in industry. The key difference between us and other research groups is we underpin this with advanced ICT. This includes approaches to big data, cloud computing, grid computing, high-performance computing, and Internet of Things. Behind me is an example of the kind of simulations that we do. This is a software package called FlexSim. What people tend to do with these is they build models of large-scale processing operations, as you have in the automotive industry. The package then allows them to simulate these models under different conditions. The problem is, these models take a long time to simulate. We've worked with companies like the Ford Motor Company to speed these simulations up and to help them to deploy high-performance grids within their organisations to deliver faster, more accurate results in a shorter period of time. We also work with consultancies, and we've got examples of our software running in companies like Seika Solutions, Sellafield Nuclear Waste Reprocessing, Sellafield PC, and a wide variety of other operations. Together, the software that we've helped industry developers saved over £1 million over the last few years, and it continues to save money on an annual basis as the software gets better and the simulations are processed faster. More recently, we have a European project called Cloud SME that the University of Westminster leads, and we assist in product development. And we have a wide range of use cases that now not only include small to medium manufacturers, but also port simulations, 3D insole design, and craft brewing. These technologies we will apply back to the automotive industry to help further develop faster and more effective simulations. As part of Brunel Automotive, the Modelling and Simulation Group continues to deliver successful industrial collaborations, products and services. Simulation is a key technology in the automotive industry. Our high-performance computing techniques can deliver you a competitive edge. We look forward to working with you.
So the Wolfson Centre for Materials Processing is a specialist research institute that incorporates the Centre for Phosphors and Display Materials. We develop a whole range of applications. We use bio-derived materials through to developing optoelectronic properties of materials. We're exceptionally well set up for characterisation of all of our research areas, so we're able to look at the whole product through from the raw materials development through to the final prototype. So our expertise covers polymers, where we use biodegradable polymers and bio-derived polymers. These are used in car parts, for instance. We have displays and lighting materials development and applications development, where we use inorganic phosphors, nanomaterials, and also OLED development. And we look at device efficiency and optimization of the materials that are used in these devices. We have green fuels development, where we develop catalysts and nanocatalysts, and we have reactors for actually measuring the performance of these catalysts, for instance. So here we've got some of our polymer processing equipment. We've got extruders, we've got injection moulding facilities. We work mostly with industry, either through direct industry funding or through UK or European Union government funding, so we can secure extra effort. We help our partners write the proposals, and that reduces the effort for them, and we're very experienced in writing these proposals. We have a range of very experienced postdoctoral research staff, and we normally put these people onto a project so we can rapidly deliver results, which is what our industry partners really like.
Andrew Barnes. I'm a director here at Powertrain Technologies. We are a small independent R&D company operating in the automotive sector, primarily involved in powertrain or engine research and development. It's very important for us as an SME to have strong links with academic institutions. And over the last few years we've forged some very strong links with Brunel, who are world leaders in engine research. We are now moving into manufacture, where we've developed technology for ourselves, and in fact this engine we are putting in production right now. Going into production is significant to our project with Brunel, because we will also be manufacturing the air hybrid system for them. The project we're working on with Brunel is a energy recovery technology which they've devised, and we are now looking to adopt to bus engines. And in fact the engine here is the core of the project. And the technology aims at recovering energy when the bus decelerates. Well, Brunel have been very supportive to us in seeking funding to get this technology moving forwards. Applying through Innovate UK for a SMART award is a lot of weight added to the application if we have the support of an organisation like Brunel behind us. Brunel will review the applications with us and recommend changes to be made to the documents, because they are used to dealing with organisations like Innovate UK. The two parts of the project come together and make more than the sum of their individual contributions. Well, Brunel are critical to the commercialisation process. Whilst we will be the manufacturing partner and the practical side of commercialisation, the credibility of the whole project is lifted by having the presence of Brunel as part of the commercialisation activity. So when we approach the bus operator or the bus manufacturer, the fact that the technology has come out of an organisation such as Brunel is key to its success. Well, the next phase of the project is going to require considerable additional funding and also identifying more customers. So Brunel have engaged a project manager or a business development manager whose role is going to be to find those additional customers and identify where more funding opportunities lie.
Brunel Automotive demonstrates the extensive, innovative expertise and state-of-the-art facilities available to the global automotive industry. Experts in internal collaboration, accessing external funding, and putting industry thinking at the heart of any project, we offer cutting-edge automotive research and development. If you are interested in finding out more, please contact Brunel's Research Support and Development Office. Our experienced, approachable team is business-focused and will help identify your needs and establish successful relationships with appropriate Brunel experts.